Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Motorola Edge 40. In case you don't have the pin and so the screen is locked and you don't have access to it, we can actually bypass that and reset the phone. It's going to wipe everything else off the phone as well and make it like a new phone, but you will be able to use it if you've forgotten the pin code. So to get started, we just need to have our phone turned off. And then from our phone turned off, we're going to press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the phone turns on. And it's going to turn on into a menu that looks like this. And using the volume button, we're going to toggle up and down through this menu where it says start until it comes to where it says recovery mode. Once it says recovery mode, we're going to hit the power button to select it. And then we're going to wait a second, and then after a second, it's going to pop up with a no command screen and a little robot lying down. And when that happens, you're just going to tap simultaneously the power and the volume up button. When you tap the power and volume up button, it will take you to this recovery menu. And from here, using the volume buttons, we're going to toggle down to the wipe data factory reset option and hit the power button to select it. Once we've selected it, we're going to toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to select that. Keeping in mind that this is a confirmation screen, once you hit power, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off the phone. So once it goes through its wiping process, we'll come back up with this menu where you can reboot the system, and the phone will turn off and it will turn back on the way it came out of the box when you originally bought it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.